Welcome to Leatherings, the podcast where we explore the latest trends and fashion must-haves. I'm your host, and today we have a special episode dedicated to the stylish Jimmy Goatskin Suede leather jean jacket. Get ready to discover its upscale casual features and why it's the perfect outerwear choice from day to night. The Jimmy jacket combines the classic cut of a jean jacket with the luxurious touch of soft suede leather, creating a standout piece for any casual occasion. Crafted from goat suede with a jungle finish, this jacket boasts both durability and a unique aesthetic. The goat suede leather used in the construction of the Jimmy jacket ensures a soft and supple feel, making it comfortable to wear throughout the day. Despite its luxurious appeal, this jacket is designed to withstand the demands of everyday life. The Jimmy jacket comes in an antique brown color, adding a vintage charm to your outfit. The jungle finish gives the suede leather a distinct character, with variations in color that create an interesting visual texture. It's these subtle nuances that make the Jimmy jacket truly unique and set it apart from traditional jean jackets. In terms of design, the Jimmy jacket features a classic button front closure that adds to its timeless appeal. The antique brass buttons not only provide a touch of elegance but also contribute to the overall vintage aesthetic of the jacket. When it comes to functionality, the Jimmy jacket doesn't disappoint. It offers a total of 6 pockets, providing ample space to stash your essentials. 2 outer slip pockets with magnetic button closures offer easy access and secure storage, while 2 chest pockets with button closures add a touch of style. Inside the jacket, you'll find 1 zip pocket and 1 button pocket, ensuring that your valuables are kept safe and organized. To ensure comfortable wear, the Jimmy jacket is fully lined with polyester. The lining adds an extra layer of insulation and makes the jacket more comfortable against your skin. Whether you're wearing it during the day or into the evening, the Jimmy jacket will keep you stylish and at ease. Lastly, the adjustable hem with button tabs allows you to customize the fit of the jacket, ensuring a perfect and flattering silhouette. This feature adds versatility to the jacket, allowing you to wear it in different ways to suit your personal style. With its upscale casual look and attention to detail, the Jimmy Goatskin Suede leather jean jacket is a wardrobe staple. Its soft suede leather, functional pockets, and adjustable hem make it a go-to choice for any casual occasion. From day to night, this jacket will effortlessly elevate your style. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Leatherings. Stay tuned for more exciting fashion discussions and trend analyses. Until next time.